Are you looking for a healthy treat that screams delicious flavor? These chocolate banana cookies are the cookies for you because they're super healthy. They're made with just a few ingredients, including mashed bananas, and they're also just indulgent and really satisfy your sweet tooth in the best way possible. Stick around to the end because I am going to share with you one of my favorite tips for making these healthy cookies look like something you would find as an indulgent treat at a coffee shop. It begins with bananas. I love having a couple of ripe bananas. That's going to give you the best flavor. So we'll use 2 bananas in this one. And I just put them in here together and get out a fork and mash away. If you've had any frustrations in the day, just take it out on the banana. That's what I like to say. Take it out on the banana. So just give it a good mash. I like leaving some texture from the banana. You can obviously go as firm, you can really mash it away and make this into smaller bits, or be like me and leave some bits of banana. And what I love is when you do have the bits of banana, then, when you bite into these cookies, every now and then you're going to get a nice little bite, and I love that. Okay, to that, we're going to add 1/4 cup of maple syrup. I'm going to go ahead and stir that in. And we're also going to add around a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm just guesstimating that. It looks around like a teaspoon to me. Give that a stir. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of oat flour. This is really easy to make just by combining or putting oats in a food processor and pulsing until you get an approximate flour. 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, and you can use gluten-free if you need to make these cookies gluten-free. And 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. I like to just begin stirring the dry ingredients. Oops, I forgot one. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So we'll start by combining the dry ingredients and then slowly incorporate the wet into that. You may think this is going to be too dry, but just keep stirring. That banana really does its job and creates a nice moist batter. Okay, what I have here is around a 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. Actually, I think it's a 1/3 cup, and I'm going to add just a few because I like to reserve a few, but I like to have some chocolate chips throughout. Look at that. That is beautiful. That is a beautiful batter there. I have a pan lined with parchment paper and a cookie dough scoop, and that is the 2 pieces of equipment you need for every cookie. I've got it lined with parchment paper, and we're just going to begin. You can make these as big or as small of cookies as you prefer. If you make them smaller, you might want to adjust the cooking time. And this is my favorite tip for making these healthy cookie taste like something or look like something that you see in a coffee shop. And that is, go ahead and add some chocolate chips on the top of each. That way, when they bake and they come out of the oven, they'll have lots of chocolate chips on top. And that is what creates the most beautiful looking cookies, just like you would see in a coffee shop. There's other things that you could add on top, like maybe some chopped walnuts or some flaky sea salt. There's all kinds of things that you can add on top just to give these cookies some panache. Okay, these are going to go in the oven. I have the oven preheated to 350 degrees. I like to bake them for around 9 to 10 minutes because I want them to be very soft. So I feel like if I set the timer for 9 minutes and then let them sit on the pan for another five, they come out perfectly soft, but with a nice kind of a nice edge to the crust. Okay, these have baked and I let them cool for about 10 to 15 minutes and now they are ready to eat. They smell so amazing and I can't wait to try one. Mm, that is so good. I love I love the banana flavor combined with the chocolate. I got chocolate on my teeth. There's so much good chocolate in every bite. And I love the chocolate chips combined with all of this. This is amazing. This is a delicious, healthy cookie. It looks so beautiful, tastes amazing, and yet you're kind of indulging yourself with something that's fairly healthy. And I love that. I love finding that balance between healthy and indulgence. That makes every day something worth celebrating. If you make today's recipe, I would love to hear from you. What do you think? Did you like it? Are you going to make them again? Leave a comment below. I want to hear from you. And if you like today's recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more recipes coming your way every week.